7 a.m. and I think the contest starts at 8. This is insane. I can't believe how early we had to be here to do this. But it's an early race. It is what it is sometimes, and we're gonna get after it, man. I'm excited. I think this is gonna be a great event, and a lot at stake. And with a 3-way tie, including me, for the overall, it's pretty exciting. So I just can't even believe that I'm even in contention for it. So let's get started. Let's pause and talk about this for a second. After this happened, we had about 15 minutes of practice in between our second and third run, which was kind of weird. I tried the 1080 over this jump another 3 times. I could not seem to make it work, so I had to change the plan. I was in a major panic. Alright, we just finished up the final. I couldn't be happier with that. Riding 3 jumps is definitely a lot more challenging than just riding 2, because I can definitely have 2 big tricks. But to have 3 big tricks to really solidify your spot on the top spot of the podium is really tough to do. There's some really crazy runs out there today, so I'm not sure how it's really going to go, but regardless, I'm happy, healthy, and best trick starting now, so I'm going to get in there and get on that.
Bad at the end. Here comes Brian Fox. He got the call. He knows he might need this to win the overall. So he's going to. Holy cow! What do you think of Brian Fox? Do you like him? Tell him. Just scream at him. Throw something at him. Whatever trick is happening. One backflip for Brian Fox. He wants to win this, folks. He's going to leave it all in there. Oh, didn't get the speed he wants. Yep. Make some noise for him. He wants to. Brian Fox. Let's see if we can get him. Can I get some noise for Brian Fox? He wants to win this thing. Watch him on the last jump. He's going to try to spin 3 times and spin his handlebars. 1 spin, 2 spin, 2 spin. Man in BMX right now. Can I get some noise for Brian Fox? Brian Fox taking home 3rd place. There you go, Brian Fox, 3rd place. Congratulations, sir.
Huh?
In 2nd place.
Thank
the
you.
Only man to match his stud riding at its finest.
Money, good work, buddy.
That gives 1st place.
Oh, that's dope.
To the white horse. This is such a cool situation. Can I get a great big round of applause for our winner
Gabby
today?
Chavez.
So give it up for Gabriel Chavez. First pro contest win of the big.
Yes, brother. Good job. Yes, dude. Big horse. So good. Enjoy this. Enjoy it. Oh my god. Yeah, dude.
Photos. Absolutely. Congratulations, Daniel Sandoval. Congratulations, Brian Fox. Congratulations. Yes, give it up for Daniel Sandoval.
Good, baby. Yeah.
2nd place overall. Goes to you, Mr. Brian Fox. You are 2nd place overall at the BMX Triple Challenge. Congratulations on absolutely proving dominance here in the world. And with Mr. Daniel Sandoval, our overall winner of our 3-stop event, Anaheim, Arlington, and now here in Denver. Can I get some noise for all of our riders, everybody that partied? Thank you so much.
Wow, what a day out here. What a series this was. It was an absolute battle all the way to the end. And I couldn't be happier with where I'm at with riding and with how I ended up with the series. We ended up 3rd on the day, 2nd in the series, and bring home a check. Thanks, guys. We'll bring it back to Woodward and get back to the drawing board because we got more events coming up. And yeah, I just want to send a huge thanks to everybody that's watching, keeping up on these videos, and leaving comments, man. We really appreciate all your guys' feedback and just you guys tuning in and watching what I'm doing. It's awesome. I'm stoked to take you guys along the ride. And then also I got to give it up for my wife, Sabrina. She's been behind the camera on this one the